Hello everyone, in this video I will compare AnyDesk and RasDesk. AnyDesk and RasDesk are both remote desktop tools, but they differ in approach and flexibility. AnyDesk is a remote desktop software that lets you connect to another computer from anywhere in the world. It is very fast, lightweight, and works smoothly even on slower internet connections. The setup is simple and you can start using it without much technical knowledge. One of its best features is the high-quality video and sound transition, which makes remote work feel natural. It also allows easy file sharing between devices, which is very helpful. Security is strong with encryption that keeps your data safe during sessions. RasDesk is a free, open-source remote desktop software that lets you connect to computers easily. Unlike many other tools, it can be self-hosted, which means you have full control over your data and privacy. The setup is straightforward and it works across multiple platforms like Windows, macOS, Linux, Android, and iOS. Its performance is good, with smooth connections and reliable speed for most tasks. Since it's open source, the community actively improves it and adds new features. However, it may not feel as polished or feature-rich as paid tools like AnyDesk. Overall, AnyDesk is better for polished performance and business use, while RasDesk is better for free, open source, and privacy-focused remote access. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.